There are several essential oils that have a smell similar to that of a Christmas tree. Some of these include pine essential oil. This oil is extracted from needles of pine trees, so it has a fresh, woodsy aroma that's reminiscent of a Christmas tree. Spruce essential oil. This oil is extracted from the needles of spruce trees and it has a similar fresh, woodsy scent to pine essential oil. Fir essential oil. This oil is extracted from the needles of fir trees and it has a similar fresh, woodsy scent to pine and spruce essential oils. Cedarwood essential oil. This oil is extracted from the wood of cedar trees and it has a warm, woodsy aroma that is similar to that of a Christmas tree. Balsam essential oil. This oil is extracted from the resin of balsam trees and it has a rich, sweet, spicy scent that's reminiscent of the holiday season. In general, essential oils that have a fresh, woodsy or spicy aroma are likely to be good candidates for creating a Christmas tree scent. You can experiment with different combinations of these oils to find the perfect blend for your needs. Some of the most popular blends include pine, spruce, and fir essential oils. These oils are all extracted from the needles of different types of coniferous trees, and they have a fresh, woodsy aroma that's reminiscent of a Christmas tree. Mixing these oils together in a 1:1:1 ratio can create a beautiful festive scent. Pine, cinnamon, and orange essential oils. This blend combines the fresh, woodsy aroma of pine with the spicy warmth of cinnamon and the sweet, citrusy scent of orange. This blend is perfect for creating a warm, inviting holiday atmosphere. Cedarwood, frankincense, and myrrh essential oils. This blend combines the warm, woodsy aroma of cedarwood with the spicy, resinous scents of frankincense and myrrh. This blend is great for creating a rich, luxurious holiday scent. And lastly, pine, balsam, and ginger essential oils. This blend combines the fresh, woodsy aroma of pine with the sweet, spicy scent of balsam and the warm, spicy aroma of ginger. This blend is perfect for creating a cozy, festive atmosphere. In general, when creating a Christmas essential oil blend, it's best to mix together oils that have complementary scents. Experiment with different combinations of oils to find the perfect blend for your home or office. When using essential oils, it's important to follow the instructions provided by the manufacturer, as well as any safety guidelines. Most, if not all, essential oils should not be used directly on the skin, while others should not be taken internally. Always dilute essential oils in a carrier oil before applying them to the skin, and consult with a healthcare practitioner before using essential oils internally. Happy holidays!